Hello, good morning, dear students. In previous lecture, illustration number 10 is completed. Now, next illustration number 11. In how many ways can 5 boys and 2 girls be arranged in rows such that both the girls are together? And second, both the girls are not together. Okay. Question में आपको क्या बोला है? 5 boys and 2 girls. Total 7 members. Okay, arranged in rows so that both the girls are together. दोनों girls, बन्ने girls एक साथ है कैसे? Okay, both the girls are not together. बन्ने girls साथ है no बेसे. Okay, 5 boys for the first person. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 boys. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, and 2 girls. G1 and G2. For the first option, both the girls are together. Okay, both the girls are together. दोनों girls एक साथ बनने girls साथ है वैसे. So total permutation okay. Both girls are together means combined 1 unit, and 5 boys 5 unit, total 6 unit arranged in rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, both girls are arranged together means combined 1 unit, and 5 boys 5 unit, total 6 unit. Okay, so 6p 6 arrangement. Both girls are interchanged. बन्ने पोतानी प्लेस શું કરે ચેન્જ કરે. Both girls are interchanged first second second first. Okay, so 2 girls 2p 2. So 6p 6 factorial and 2p2 means 2 factorial. So 6 factorial answer 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 2 factorials. Answer is 2 into 1. Okay, so using LCM 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. Your answer is 1440. Clear? Your first option is complete. Now second option, number 2. Both girls are not together. Both girls are not together. No meaning बन्ने girls साथे no वैसे. Okay, both girls are not together. 5 boys 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So 5 boys. Both girls are not together. बन्ने साथ ही no वैसे. क्या आवे? All boys 5 boys in between. Okay, first and last. One option is possible place here, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So both girls are not arranged together. Any particular place to total 6 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 5 boys between first and last. Okay, total 6 option. 2 girls arranged करवाओ. So total permutation is equal to 5 boys and 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boys, 5 place. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 place, but only for 2 girls arranged. And means multiplication, 6 place. 2 girls are arranged. So 5p5, it means 5 factorial. And 6p2 into 6 into 5. Okay? Now next step, 5 factorial answer is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 6 5 3 0 30. Using LCM, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 30. 3 6. Okay. So you are completed for illustration number 11. Now next, in illustration number 12. There are 3 different books of Gujarati, 4 different books of English, and 4 different books of Sanskrit on table. Okay, 3 different type of subject is given: Gujarati, English, and Sanskrit. Okay. In how many ways these books can be arranged such that, underline, arranged such that the books of each subject are together. Okay, 3 different books of Gujarati. 3 books. 4 different books of English. 4 different books of English and 4 different books of Sanskrit. Okay. Here, arranged in such that all books are same subject books are together. Okay, 4 Gujarati, 4 English. Sorry, 3 Gujarati, 4 English, and 4 Sanskrit. Total 3 plus 4 plus 4, 11 books. Suppose first 3 books Gujarati, next 4 books English, next 4 books Sanskrit. So all 4 books, 3 subjects are arranged together. Okay? પહેલા 3 ગુજરાતી books arrange કરી એના પછી 4 ઇંગ્લિશ, next 4 સંસ્કૃત. એટલે 4 books છે એક સાથે રહેશે all 3 subjects. But subject are interchanged. First Gujarati, second English, third Sanskrit. First Gujarati, second Sanskrit, third English. First English, second Gujarati, third Sanskrit. First English, second Sanskrit, third Gujarati. First Sanskrit, second Gujarati, third English. First Sanskrit, second English, third Gujarati. Like all subjects are interchanged. 3 subjects means 3 times interchanged. So total outcomes possible. Total permutation is equal to 3 books of Gujarati. So 3p3 arrangement. Next 4 books of English and means into 4p4 into 4 books of Sanskrit 4p4 and 3 subjects are interchanged: first, second, third, third, second, fourth, second, third one. Okay. So 3p3 subjects are interchanged. इसलिए लास्ट में 3p चले 3p3 क्या मालूम? तो 3 subjects in Gujarati, English, and Sanskrit are interchanged. Okay. So 3p3 means 3 factorial into 4p4 4 factorial into 4p4 4 factorial and last 3p3 3 factorial. Okay, 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Next, 4 factorial, repeat. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And last 3 factorials, so 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1. Now next, using calculate 3 into 2 into 1. So 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 24. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 24. And last 3 into 2 into 1 into 6. Using calculate 6 into 24 into 24 into 6. Answer is 20,738. Okay, so you have completed illustration number 12. Okay, 20,736. Okay, 6 is 36. Okay, now next, in illustration number 13. In how many ways can 3 boys and 3 girls be arranged in rows such that boys and girls are alternatively arranged? Okay, 3 boys and 3 girls are given. Okay, 3 boys and 3 girls are given in such rows that boys and girls are alternating. Suppose first is a boy, so second is girl, next boy, then after girl, boy, girl. Okay, alternatively arranged boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Another option are also possible. First is girl, second is boy. Or another option is possible. 1, 2, 3 boys and 3 girls, total 6 members. So first is girl, second boy, third girl, fourth boy, girl, and 6 boys. It means 2 options are possible between sign addition. Or means addition. First arrangement boy, second girl. First arrangement girl, second boy, means 2 possible options between words is or in addition. So total permutation is equal to, for the first option, 1, 2 and 3. 3 boys and 3 girls. 3p3 into 3p3, so in bracket, or means addition between sign plus another bracket, 3 girls, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 boys. So repeat, 3p3 into 3p3. Okay, so 3p3 means 3 factorial into 3 factorial between sign addition plus another bracket, 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay, now next, 3 factorial means decreasing order multiplication for 3 to 1. 3 into 2 into 1. Repeat, into 3 into 2 into 1 between sign addition plus another bracket, 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 1. So multiplication for first 3 values, 3 into 2 into 1. Answer is 6 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 6 between sign plus. Repeat. 3 into 2 into 1. 6 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6. Now next step, 6 into 6. So 36 plus 36. Your final answer is 72. Okay. So 3 boys and 3 girls arranged in rows so that boys and girls are alternatively is 72 ways. Clear? Now next in illustration number 14. Now next in illustration number 14. Arrangement are made using all the letters of word young. Y, O, U, N, G. Okay? Young word is given. If all these arrangements are arranged in the order dictionary, underline the order of dictionary. What will be the rank of the word young? Okay. So first of all, जो वर्ड्स आपको दिया आपने जो वर्ड्स आप भेजे हैं इसको अल्फाबेटिकली अरेंजमेंट. Okay. So write down there are 5 letters. Y, O, U, N, G. In the word young, which can young, which can be arranged in 5 factorial 120. Okay, total 5 letter is given. So 5 factorial 5 4 3 2 1. Total 120 ways in the words young. Next step over alphabetically arrangement. So now next alphabetically arrangement, alphabetical order of all letters of the word young will be G, N, O, U, Y. Okay? You are alphabetical order of the letter of the word young will be G, N, O, U, and Y. Now next, our first letter of the arrangement is G. Okay? So now next write down arrangement with G in the first place. G in the first place. Will be. Okay. So G in the first place. G first place. So remaining N, O, U, Y. Rest of 4 letters. So 1P1 into 4P4. 1P1 means 1 factorial and 4P4 means 4 factorial. So 4 factorial answer is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 24 ways. જ્યાં સુધી આપણો ફર્સ્ટ લેટર y નું આવે ત્યાં સુધી 1 by 1 અરેન્જમેન્ટ શું કરીશું ચેન્જ કરીશું. ઓકે 1 by 1 લેટર. નેક્સ્ટ લેટર n. So n is the first letter or first letter is y. Okay. So next arrangement with n in the first place will be, so n is one time, rest of four letters G, O, U and what? 1p1 into 4p4. So same answer for the previous step. 1 factorial into 4 factorial. Answer is 24. Now next, O in the first place or first letter is Y. So repeat, arrangement with O in the first place will be 1p1 into remaining four letters G and U, Y. 4p4. So 1 factorial into 4 factorial. 24 ways. Now next, U in the first place or first letter Y. So same. Next, arrangement with U in the first place will be 1p1 into rest of four letters G, N, O, Y. 4p4. 1 factorial into 4 factorial. 24 ways. Now next, Y in the first place. Y select our first letter. So alphabetically next, second letter is G. Or second letter O. There is the Y must select them. O no આવે second place. ત્યાં સુધી આપણે one by one repeat કરીએ. Okay? So Y in the first place and G in the second place. Now next, arrangement with Y in the first place and G in the second place will be, Y in the first place, Y one time, 1p1, G is also one time into 1p1 into remaining three letters N, O, U. 3p3. So 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 to 1. Multiplication decreasing order. Answer is 6. Now next, N in the second place or second letter O. Now next, write down same to same arrangement with Y in the first place and N in the second place will be, okay, Y one time, 1p1, N is also one time, 1p1 into remaining three letters G, O, U means 3p3. So 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 3 factorial, total 6. Now next, third letter or second place. Okay, our second place selected. Now alphabetically written third place the G or third letter U. Same to same repetition. જ્યાં સુધી U નો આવે ત્યાં સુધી third letter change કરતા. Okay. So now write down arrangement with Y in the first place. Okay. O in the second place. And J in the third place. Will be okay. Y, O and G, all three letter repeated one time. 1p1 into 1p1 into 1p1. So remaining two letter and U. 2p2. Answer is 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 2 factorial. Total 2 ways. Now next, third letter for third letter U. Write down arrangement with Y in the first place. O in the second place. And in the third place. Will be 1p1 into 1p1 into 1p1. Rest of two letter G and U into 2p2. 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 2 factorial. Total 2 ways. Now next, third place U or third letter alphabetically U. Alphabetically next fourth place G. Fourth place again N letter. Write down next step. Arrangement with Y in the first place. O in the second place. U in the third place. And G in the fourth place. Will be 1p1 5 times. Is equal to 1 ways. Now next, fourth place N and fifth place G. So our final answer yeah. Okay. So write down arrangement with Y in the first place, O in the second place, U in the third place, N in the fourth place, and G in the fifth place will be 5 times 1p1 is equal to 1 with. So final answer, dictionary order of the word young. Dictionary order of the word young is equal to total range 24, total 4 times 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24. Next 6, 1 and 1 2 times 6 plus 6, 2, 1 and 1 2 times, and 1 and 1 2 times. So using the same 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 96 plus 6 plus 6 108 plus 2 plus 2 10 112 plus 1 plus 1 114. So dictionary order of the word young will be 114. Okay, तो जब हमने फाइंड किया 120 तो 120 में से 114 नंबर पर आपको कौन सा वर्ड्स मिलेगा, यंग वर्ड्स मिलेगा. ओके, okay, now next in illustration number 15. Okay, permutation of medical things. What is your last example, right? Permutation. How many arrangements can be made using all the letter of the words? Okay, अभी तक तो देखा previous question dictionary words clearly indicate the order. So एक data repeating. Here In what sense unity? So here using identical thing. C repeated 1 and 1 2 times, I repeated 1 2 3 times, N repeated 1 2 3 times, A repeated 1 time, T repeated 1. So identical things means total permutation is equal to total letter in the word sincerity 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 factorial divided by C repeated 1 in 1 2 times, divide 1 factorial, I 1 2 3 times, divide by 3 factorial, and 1 2 and 3 times. A and T both repeated 1 like here. इस तरह से आप लोग टाइप करना है. ये टोटल लेटर्स हो, न्यूमरेटर में राइट करो, ये रिपीट करेंगे ना, डिनोमिनेटर्स में राइट करो फैक्टर्स. ओके, आइडेंटिकल थिंग is n factor divided by p q r s t any. So now next 10 factorial means multiplication of n to 1. Okay, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so your answer is 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. 3 6 2 8 8 0 0 36 and 28,800 divided by 2 factorial means 2 into 1 2 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1 so 6 3 factorial 6 so 3 6 2 8 8 0 0 divided by 6 into 6 into 2 so 6 is 36 into 2 72 50,400. In the word sincerity, identical thing answer is 50,400. ये complete illustration number 50. Now next in exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Obtain the values of the following. So 4 values is given. Number 1, 10p3. Okay, 10p3 using formula for permutation n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r out of factorial. Here value of n is 10, value of r is 3. 10p3 is equal to n is 10, n factorial, value of n 10, r is 3 out of 10 minus 3 is 7. So numerator 10, 9, 8 and 7. 7, 7 cut. So now next step 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. हमने जब तक 6 की वैल्यूज राइट कर रही है तो वे राइट कैन डिवाइड करें इसको. Divide by 10 minus 3 7 factorial. 7 to 7 denominator 7 3 6 5 4 3 2 1. 7 7 factorial cut. Using calcium multiplication 10 into 9 into 8. Final answer 7 20. Now next number 2. Second question. Find the value 50p2. 50p2. Same formula used. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Your value of n 5050. P2 is equal to 50 factorial divided by 50 minus 2 out of bracket factorial. Now next step. 50 factorial means 50 to 1, all which is multiplied. Divided by 50 minus 2 means 48. So numerator write down 50 into 49 into 48 factorial divided by 48 factorial. Numerator denominators 48 factorial cut. So using calculation 50 into 49 2450. Yeah. Now next question 3. Obtain the value 8p7. 8p7. Now for npn minus 1 means always n factorial answer. Okay. So important result लोगों को रोई तो डायरेक्ट आंसर तो राइट कर इसको 8p 8 minus 1 means 7 npn minus 1 answer is always n factorial 8 factorial. Check it. npr is equal to n factorial divided by in bracket n minus r out of bracket factorial. Here value of n is 8 and r is 7. 8p7 is equal to 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 7 out of bracket factorial. 8 minus 7 is 1 factorial. So numerator write down 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 1 factorial. Using calculation 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Your answer is 50400. Check it. Okay. Sorry. Check it answer. $40,330. Okay. 40320. Okay. And last 99. 99. NPN means always n factorial answer. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by in bracket n minus r out of bracket factorial 99. 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 9 factorial. 9 factorial means 9 to 1 multiplication. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by 0 factorial. So using calculation multiplication for 9 to 1 362 880 divided by 1. So 3,62,880. So here completed for the question number 1.